Abuja, the capital of Nigeria, is a bustling city with a lot to offer visitors. From its vibrant culture and history to its modern amenities and attraction, there's something for everyone in Abuja, most definitely. If you're looking for a getaway from the hustle and bustle of city life, or probably coming into the city, look no further than Abuja's amazing getaway spots. From the stunning Jabi Lake Park to the luxurious Blue Cabana and the family-friendly Almat farms, there's a getaway spot in Abuja that's perfect for you. Well, let me dive deep into it. I have Jabi Lake Park as number one. This is a beautiful and serene park located in the heart of Abuja. The park is home to a variety of attractions, including a lake, children's playground, and a variety of restaurants and bars. Jabi Lake is the perfect place to relax and unwind. Guests can enjoy a variety of activities, including boating, fishing, and picnicking. The park is also a great place to take a walk or bike ride. The Jabi Lake Park is also very close to the popular Jabi Lake Mall, which is one mall where you get everything inside, from game center to cinemas to foods and the likes of it. Next on my list is Blue Cabana. Blue Cabana is a luxurious resort located on the outskirts of Abuja. The resort offers a variety of accommodation, including villas, suites, and rooms. All of the accommodations are spacious and well appointed, and they offer stunning views of the surrounding area. Trust me, Abuja is one beautiful place you want to really stay. Last on my list, obviously not the least and one of the greatest, I can tell you, Almat Farm is a family-friendly farm located on the outskirts of Abuja. The farm offers a variety of activities, including horseback riding, pony rides, and animal feeding. It is more like a mini zoo with a lot of fun activities and a place to lodge. Guests can also enjoy a variety of farm fresh food at the farm's restaurant. Almat Farm is the perfect place to spend a day with the family. The farm is educational and fun, and it is a great way to experience the outdoors. Well, if you're looking for a getaway from the hustle of the city life, these places are places we highly recommend. From the stunning Jabi Lake Park to the luxurious Blue Cabana and the family-friendly Almat Farms, there is a getaway spot for absolutely everybody. Thank you so much for listening, and remember, here at Hidden Voices Africa, we are committed to showing you the beauty of Africa and telling the untold rich stories of this continent. Signing out, my name is John Oteta from Hidden Voices Africa.